How to add collaboration in Instagram post or reel after posting. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up Instagram, and once you are there, you may head over to your profile in the bottom right. So all you gotta do is head over to a post or a reel, and after you reach over there, tap on the three dot at the top, and there you should be finding option called edit. From the menu, select that, and when you do, this opens up. At the very top, you should be finding option called add collaborators. Just go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, tap on invite collaborators and tap on invite. After doing so, you may search for the user like this, and after doing so, once the collaborator has accepted the request, tap on right at the top first, and once again tap on right at the top, and once the collaborator accepts the request, you will be having a collaborating post on your Instagram. So that's it for now. That is how you add collaboration in Instagram post or reel after posting. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.